Every part of our industry is gearing up to deliver net zero. From design to aftermarket, from cars to vans, trucks, taxis, buses, from batteries to hydrogen. It is the most fundamental change in a century.
We can't have economic growth without the auto sector. What has been so striking is what an extraordinary time it has been to be in your business.
We're investing in fuel cells, we're investing in battery technology, and we're also investing in electrolyzers to actually make hydrogen as part of our green hydrogen initiative.
Hydrogen is part of the solution. We, Renault Trucks, will and are developing hydrogen fuel cell vehicles, which will come to market before the end of this decade.
The sheer scale of innovation, the change, and the fact that there is such a wide range of access for different products for the consumer or for us in the bus industry. Technology is changing and it's really exciting to be a part of that.
We have the fundamentals. Now it's about mass adoption, the charging network, battery health, price, and these key indicators that will help us reduce carbon.
Our common task is to deliver mobility for all, leaving no one behind.
We've got to not only continue to ensure that the independent markets can service and maintain the existing vehicle park, but obviously prepare for those changes in the new technologies.
In the first electric decade, many of you faced down scepticism with a boundless capacity to innovate and experiment. As a result, hundreds of plug-in models are now available.
Our future success depends on our ability to attract and retain a talented, diverse and inclusive workforce.
This whole transformation is really a systemic transformation because all the manufacturers here, they don't just want the vehicles to be zero emission, they want actually the production to decarbonize, and that is competitive for the UK.
You know, we have to make sure that we're attractive for other countries, other manufacturers to want to invest in the UK.
The auto sector, like no other, is a global trading industrial sector.
Especially with a new technology like electric cars, it's really important that we have one clear message, not only to government, but also to consumers. And SMMT really help bring us all together and unite us.
We need to work with manufacturers, we need to work with charge point operators, startups, to ensure that as we transition to electric, we take the whole population with us.
We are on the road to zero emission vehicles, and as an industry, as a society, we will not be turning back.